Good morning. Chapter Permutation and Combination, Miscellaneous Chapter 7. So first question number 1. If 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial equal to x by 10 factorial. X by 10 factorial, find x. Okay, find the value of x. Okay, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 9 factorial equal to x by 10 factorial. Okay, now 1 by 7 factorial, write as it is, 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial, we can write 1 by 9 into 8
into 7 factorial.
Yes, into 7 factorial equal to x by
10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial.
yes 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, now take common 1 by 7 factorial from left side. 1 by 7 factorial common, and this equal to 1 plus 1 by 8 into
9
9
into 72.
72. 8 into 9 72 equal to 1 by 7 factorial, write at first, this into x by
720. So 10 into 9 into 8, which is equal
So
to
720.
720. Okay. Now from both sides, 1 by 7 factorial, 1 by 7 factorial cancel. So this is equal to,
So 73 by 72.
yes, 72 is the LCM. So 73 by 72 equal to x by 720. Okay. Now 72 and 720 you can cancel.
So it will become 10. So x is
Yes,
equal
sir,
to
10.
730.
So x is equals to 730.
10. Okay. There 1. Now cross multiply. X equal
So
to
x is equals to 73 into 10, that is 730.
730. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 2. If n factorial by 5 factorial into n minus 1 factorial, this and n factorial by 7 factorial into n minus 3 factorial, this are, these are in the ratio 21:1. 21:1. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Okay. So n factorial by 5 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This is to n factorial by 7 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Okay. So n by 5 into n minus 1 factorial. This ratio is to n factorial by 7 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 21:1. Okay. Now this means n factorial by 5 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This divided by n factorial by 7 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. This equal to 21/1. Okay. Now n factorial by 5 into n minus 1 factorial. This into 7 factorial.
Sir, n and n factorial will be cancelled, no?
Into n minus 3 factorial by n factorial. Okay, equal to 21/1. Okay, now cancel n factorial and n factorial. Okay, then
Sir, n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial.
5. Okay, into n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. This divided by 5 factorial into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial equal to 21/1. Okay. Now 5 factorial cancel. N minus 3
Sir,
factorial.
n minus 2 n minus 3 factorial will also be cancelled.
Okay. Then
So 42 by n minus 1 into n minus 2.
2 by n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to
Sir, it will be 21/1.
1. Okay. 21 2 ja 42. 21 into 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now cross multiply.
Sir, n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 2.
1 into n minus 2 equal to 2. Okay. Now multiply n square minus n minus 2n minus
2n
plus
plus 2.
equal to 2. Okay, so 2 to cancel from both sides. Okay, now n square minus
So minus 3n is equal
minus
to
3n,
0. Okay, so take common n.
n minus 3, so n is
minus
equals
3
to
is equal
3.
to 0.
Okay, so
Sir, n minus 3
So
is
n is
equal
equals
to
to
0, so
3.
n will be equal to 3.
0 or 3. Okay, now when n equal to 0, it is possible or not, check. When n equal to 0, then n minus 1 factorial this and n minus 3 factorial. Okay, these are given question. N minus 1 and n minus 3 have no meaning.
Yes, yes.
These and these have no meaning because 0 minus 1.
Yes, sir, that is the reason n will be 3.
Yes. Therefore, n equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next. Question number 3. If 22 p r plus 1, this ratio 20 p r plus 2. Okay, 22 p r plus 1 is to 20 p r plus 2 equal to 11 is to 52. 11 is to 52. Okay, find r. Okay, now solution part. So 22 p r plus 1, this ratio 20 p r plus 2 equal to 11 is to 52. Okay, so this means 22 p r plus 1 divided by 20 p r plus 2. R plus 2 equal to 11 by 52. 11 by 52. Now, so this means 20 factorial, 22 factorial.
By 21 minus r factorial.
By 20 factorial by 20 minus r minus 2 factorial.
So 22 minus 1, 21. 21
So
minus
21 minus r factorial.
r factorial. Okay. This is the permutation.
By 20 factorial by 18 minus
By
r
18 minus r
factorial.
factorial.
To 18.
So 18 minus r factorial.
18 minus r factorial.
by 21 minus r is into 18 minus r
by 20 factorial.
r factorial by 20 factorial. Eleven by 52. Okay. Calculate now. So 22 factorial we can write.
So 22
So 22 into 21 into 20
and
factorial.
for 21 minus r factorial also we can write 21 minus r, 20 minus r into 19 minus r into 18 minus r factorial.
R
20 minus r, 19 minus r, 18 minus r.
18 minus r factorial.
into 20 factorial. This into 20 factorial equal to 11 by 52. Okay. Now 18 minus r cancel,
Yes, sir. And so 20 factorial will also be cancelled.
and 20 factorial cancel. Okay. Then
So then it's 462 by 21 minus r into 18 minus r is equal to 11
By 21 minus r into 20 minus r into 19 minus r equals to 11 by 52.
19 minus r equal to 11 by 52. Okay. And see 11 to 22, 11 and
Yes, so it will be 2 into 21.
yes. Multiply now. 21 minus r. 20 minus r into 19 minus r. This equal to
Sir, 42 into 52, which is 2184.
wait 2 into 21
21 into 52.
52.
Sir, 42 into 52, which is 2184.
Will not multiply. Another method will apply. See. Now left hand side is okay. Just write only 21 minus r, 20 minus r, and 19 minus r. Okay, and this equal to, find its factors. 2 into 21 means 2 into 3 into 7 into 13 into 4, 52. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
21 minus r into 20 minus r into 19 minus r equal to, okay, equal to
So 2 sevens are 14.
3 into 4 12 we can write, no?
3 4s are 12. So 2 7 the 14 also we can write, and 13.
13. 12 into 13 into 7 to the 14. Okay? Up to this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Then 21 minus r into 20 minus r into 19 minus r equal to, okay, so 12 we can write now. 21 minus which number equal to 12?
7.
7. No, that is 19. 21 minus 7 what? 14. Okay.
Yes.
So first you write 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7, it is 14. 14 is there, okay? Okay.
So 20 minus 7 is 13, and 19 minus 7 is 12.
So 20 minus 7 is 13, is okay? 13. And one more. 19 minus
19 minus 7.
7, 12 is okay. We can write.
Yes, sir.
Now compare both sides. Comparing both
So
sides.
comparing both sides, R 7 is common, so R will be 7.
Yes. R equal to 7. This is the answer. Question is find the value of R. Okay, say it is clear now. Right now,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Right.
So written.
Written.
Okay, next. Number 4. If NPR equal to NPR plus 1, NPR plus 1 and NCR equal to NCR minus 1. NCR minus 1. NCR minus 1. NCR equal to NCR minus 1. Find the values of when the values of N and R. If NPR equal to NPR plus 1 and NCR equal to NCR minus 1, find the values of N and R. Okay. So first take first condition. NPR equal to NPR equal to NPR plus 1. Okay, NPR equal to NPR plus 1. So use the permutation formula. NPR means factorial N by
N minus R factorial.
minus R factorial equal to N factorial by
So N minus R plus
N minus R minus 1
minus 1 factorial.
factorial. Okay. So from both sides, N cancel.
N.
So N minus R factorial equal to, we can write N minus R factorial equal to N minus R into N minus R minus 1, no?
N minus R minus 1.
1 factorial equal to N minus R minus 1 factorial Okay,
Yes, yes. Sir, n minus r minus 1 factorial will get cancelled.
is equal to n minus r equal to 1, no?
Yes.
Okay, n minus
Sir,
r equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, now second condition, NCR equal to NCR equal to NCR minus 1. NCR minus 1. Okay, use NCR formula. So n factorial by
so
N
n
factorial by
r
r factorial into n minus r factorial.
n minus r factorial. Okay, this is equal to
So this is equal to
N
n factorial
factorial
by
by r
r minus 1
minus 1
factorial into
into
n minus
n
r
r
minus
minus
1
r plus 1
factorial.
factorial.
to n minus r plus 1.
Plus
Plus
1
1 factorial.
factorial.
So from both side n factorial
So
cancel,
n factorial will
N
get
factorial
cancelled.
cancel.
and r factorial you can write r into
Sir, r factorial into r into r minus 1 factorial.
and n minus r factorial you can write n minus r only, right?
N minus r into n minus r
Okay,
n minus r
factorial,
plus
right,
1 factorial.
equal to r minus 1 factorial, okay, into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, no?
N minus r factorial.
This minus 1 cancel, so n minus r factorial. So from both side r minus 1 factorial, r minus
So r
1.
minus 1 and n minus r
N
factorial
minus
also
r
cancel.
factorial will get cancelled.
So r equal to n
N
minus r
minus r
plus
plus.
1. N minus r plus 1.
Sir, r will
Okay.
be equal to 2 because sir n minus r is equal to 1.
So it will be 2r equals to n plus 1.
R is equal to 2 because n minus r is 2 from equation 1.
Plus 1. Okay. Then 2r minus n. 2r minus n equal to 1. This is number 2.
Yes.
Now solving 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See, what is the equation 1? N minus r equal to 1. Okay. N is plus, n minus r equal to 1. So we can add, no? N minus r plus
2r minus n equal to 1.
1 plus 1. Okay. N cancel. Then r equal to 2, no?
So r is equals to 2.
But sir, I have a question because sir, in the first equation we marked n minus r is equal to 1. So sir, in second equation we can also write sir r is equal to n minus r plus 1. So sir, in place of n minus r we can write 1 also.
Answer will be same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Answer will be same. See, r equal to 2. Now from
So now we'll put r2. So it will be from the first equation, n minus 2 equals to 1. Yes, sir. So it will be n minus 2 equals to 1.
So n is equal to 3.
So n
Minus 2 equals to 1. So n is equals to 1 plus 2. That is n is equals to 3.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, n equal to 3 and
R is equals to
And
2.
r is equal to 2.
is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.